know that you are out of ideas right now and attempting to enrich this video with smart dialogues and fancy editing so nobody can see the lack of talent and originality.
Who came up with these questions? I'm sorry. I cannot continue this conversation. I feel sorry for your higher ups. You know what? I'm leaving. You're so rude. You're just rude. You are rude. I'm gonna do a short version. Yes, I'm gonna do a short version. Less than 3 minutes. Okay? Less than 3 minutes. She's right. It's been 3 months that I'm out of good ideas. And that lathe, it had to break. Why? Had so many good times with the lathe. So, Spiros here. Today, I'm gonna make an egg cup. I'm gonna do it in my lathe machine.
Beautiful. Really beautiful wood.
I'm very proud about my machine because it's my child.
Success. Success.
My lathe broke and now it's wobbling and I can't do now figures.
It's just that. I think I did just great.
And all those lost opportunities, all those Pokemon that I've could made, like this one and that one. Okay, not that. I've made that. Too complicated. Next. I don't know. Anyway, the point is that without my lathe, I'm like the doctor without his screwdriver.
It's over, doctor.
Not this time, Dalek. You see, in this building, there are 1,500 electromagnetic power stations. And I calibrate my screwdriver. Hey you, say sonic screwdriver. Do you hear me? Say sonic screwdriver.
I don't understand. Give
Sonic
me the extermination
screwdriver.
of the doctor.
Sonic
Exterminate the
screwdriver.
doctor. Exterminate.
Sonic
Exterminate.
screw-
Exterminate.
Is that fresh? Smelled fresh. Where was I? Oh yes.
Give me a sign. But how I'm gonna carry it all the way home?
So, I have new lathe. And I'm happy. Okay,
Actually-
okay. Spiros from the future here. As you notice, maybe some of you noticed that in a previous scene, the box of the lathe is different than this lathe. And the reason is that this lathe decided to change profession and from lathe turn into a smoke machine. And the happy boy here doesn't know it yet because it's gonna happen in about 3 hours. And he didn't film the moment that the lathe was smoking. It will be a good quality for the video, but he was so frustrated. And anyway, long story short, I returned the lathe back. They didn't have the same one, so I did the next best thing and I upgrade. I'm in debt now, but I have better lathe because I'm gonna let that boy keep talking. He's gonna say about the chalk. Done. I have it. I have almost all the things that I'm gonna need. That I need. And I will let him talk. And from a moment then, I will carry on. Okay, happy boy. Say what you're gonna say.
It's not new lathe for me. Yes, it's new. The lathe is new. But technically, it's my first lathe. Okay, I can call the other one lathe too, but anyway, I want to thank the sponsor for this lathe, my father and my brother. Thank you very much. I have to find a way to mount a chuck because that's how I learned. I'm gonna do something easy and I'll be back.
Good.
So, let's finish the thing.
Alright, now that I'm done with that, I want to say that now that I have a lathe, I'm back in track, so probably I'm gonna do more action figures, and probably it's gonna be the next video, and probably it's gonna be a Pokemon, and probably it's gonna be something famous. I don't know. I have a donate button. I wanted to say that, so you can give me some cents to pay for the expenses of the poop prop that I use. If you like this video, push the like button. It's gonna be a little more in the end. Bye bye for me. Until next time.
Hey, trash can.
The doctor is still alive. Impossible.
Possible it did. 2 hearts, you see. Where was I? Oh yeah. I've calibrated my sonic screwdriver to send a signal to the main server of this building that controls all the 5000 electromagnetic power stations to overload them and send a signal so massive to the galaxy.
So that's how it sounds.
And you will be running, and there will be nowhere to hide, and you will beg in that moment never happened, and is that wood?